How to make a poll on Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Telegram on a device. Now simply open up your channel or group, or you can simply tap on the search icon. Now type the channel name or group name. Now open up the chat. Now tap on message. Now tap on the attach icon. Now at the bottom menu simply tap on poll. Now tap on ask a question and add a question. Now tap on answer options. Now to add another option, simply tap on the plus icon under options. Now add other options. Now simply tap on create at the top right corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.